Once upon a time, in a peaceful village surrounded by lush green hills, there was a wise old monk named Master Li. He lived in a small temple at the top of a hill. People from all around the village often came to him for advice and guidance. Master Li was known for his wisdom and calm nature. One day, a young man named Jin approached Master Li. Jin was troubled and anxious. He had heard that meditation could help him find peace, but he had trouble focusing whenever he tried to meditate. Master Li, Jin said, bowing respectfully, I have come to seek your guidance. I wish to learn how to meditate properly. I try, but my mind keeps wandering, and I can't seem to focus. Master Li smiled gently and nodded. I understand, Jin. Many people face this problem. Sit with me, and I will teach you how to focus during meditation. They both sat down on the soft grass under a big shady tree. The air was cool and the sounds of nature filled the background. Master Li began to speak in a calm and soothing voice. Jin, let's start with the basics. Meditation is about being present and aware. It's normal for the mind to wander. The key is to gently bring your focus back. Let's try a simple exercise. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Jin closed his eyes and took a deep breath. Now let the breath out slowly, Master Li continued. Feel the air as it enters and leaves your body. Focus on the sensation of breathing. If your mind starts to wander, simply notice it and bring your attention back to your breath. Jin tried to focus on his breathing, but after a few moments, his thoughts drifted to his worries about work and family. Master Li, my mind is wandering again, Jin admitted, opening his eyes. That's okay, Jin, Master Li said with a reassuring smile. Our minds are like mischievous monkeys, always jumping from one thought to another. It takes practice to calm the monkey mind. Let's try another method. Imagine your thoughts as clouds in the sky. When a thought comes, see it as a cloud drifting by. Don't engage with it, just let it pass. Jin closed his eyes again and tried to picture his thoughts as clouds. He saw a cloud of worry about his job and a cloud of concern for his family. He watched them drift away without getting attached to them. This is a good start, Master Li said softly. Now let me tell you a story to help you understand better. Once there was a farmer who had a big, beautiful field, but his field was full of weeds. Every day he would pull out the weeds, but they kept coming back. One day he met a wise man who told him, if you keep focusing on the weeds, they will keep growing. Instead, focus on planting good seeds, and soon the good plants will take over the field. Jin listened carefully and nodded. Your mind is like that field, Master Li explained. The weeds are your distracting thoughts. Instead of fighting them, focus on planting good seeds, thoughts of peace, gratitude, and love. With time, these good thoughts will grow stronger. Jin tried to meditate again, this time focusing on thoughts of gratitude. He thought about his family and the support they gave him. He felt thankful for the simple things in life, like the food he ate and the roof over his head. As he focused on these positive thoughts, he found it easier to ignore the distractions. After a while, Jin opened his eyes and smiled at Master Li. I feel a bit better now, but sometimes my body feels restless. I find it hard to sit still. Master Li nodded. Yes, physical discomfort can be a big distraction. Let's address that. First, find a comfortable position. You don't have to sit in a strict posture. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or on a cushion. The important thing is to keep your back straight but relaxed. Jin adjusted his position, sitting cross-legged on the grass with a straight but relaxed back. Now, Master Li continued, let's try a simple body scan. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Focus on your toes. How do they feel? Are they tense or relaxed? Jin focused on his toes. They felt a little tense. Imagine sending a wave of relaxation to your toes, Master Li instructed. Now, move your focus slowly up your body to your feet, ankles, calves, knees, and so on. Take your time and relax each part as you go. Jin followed the instructions, moving his focus slowly up his body, relaxing each part. By the time he reached his head, he felt much more relaxed. Good, Jin, Master Li said softly. This body scan helps to release physical tension and makes it easier to focus on your meditation. Another thing you can do is use a mantra. A mantra is a simple word or phrase that you repeat to yourself. It helps to anchor your mind. Master Li thought for a moment and then said, "You can use the word peace. As you breathe in, silently say to yourself, peace. As you breathe out, say peace again. Try it." Jin closed his eyes and started to repeat the word peace with each breath. He found that having something to focus on helped to keep his mind from wandering. After a few minutes, Jin opened his eyes and looked at Master Li. "I think I understand now. It's about finding what works for me and practicing it." Master Li smiled warmly. "Exactly, Jin. Meditation is a personal journey. It takes time and patience. Remember, it's okay if your mind wanders. Just gently bring your focus back. Use your breath, positive thoughts, body scan, or a mantra, whatever helps you the most." Jin felt a sense of calm and clarity. "Thank you, Master Li. I will practice these methods and be patient with myself." Master Li nodded. "Good. Remember, Jin, meditation is not about achieving a perfect state. It's about being present and aware, moment by moment. With practice, you will find it easier to focus and find peace within yourself." Jin bowed deeply to Master Li. "Thank you, Master Li. I am grateful for your guidance." "You are welcome, Jin," Master Li replied kindly. "Come back anytime if you need more help." Jin left the temple feeling lighter and more hopeful. He practiced the techniques Master Li had taught him every day. Some days were easier than others, but he remembered Master Li's words about patience and persistence. Over time, Jin noticed that he was able to focus better during his meditation sessions. He felt calmer and more at peace. The worries and anxieties that once plagued him began to fade away, replaced by a sense of gratitude and tranquility. Jin continued to visit Master Li from time to time, always eager to learn more and deepen his practice. He realized that meditation was not just a practice, but a way of life. It taught him to be present, to be mindful, and to find peace within himself no matter what challenges he faced. And so Jin's journey with meditation continued, guided by the wisdom of Master Li. He learned that the path to inner peace was not always easy, but with patience, practice, and the right guidance, it was possible to achieve. In the quiet moments of his meditation, Jin often remembered the simple yet profound lessons from Master Li. He was grateful for the calm and clarity that meditation brought to his life, and he knew that he could always return to the peaceful temple on the hill whenever he needed to center himself again. And thus, in the serene village surrounded by lush green hills, Jin found his way to inner peace, guided by the gentle wisdom of Master Li.